In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or a seasoned user, keeping your profile up to date with a fresh picture is a great way to personalize your experience. Let's dive in and take this step by step, ensuring you can complete this task easily and efficiently. First things first, you need to access the Clickup website. Just open your preferred web browser and navigate to clickup.com. ClickUp is a versatile platform perfect for managing projects and tasks, so having your profile looking sharp is definitely worth the few minutes it takes to update it. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see an option labelled Login. Give it a click. If you already have a ClickUp account, signing in will be straightforward. If you're not logged in already, you'll be prompted to do so, giving you several options for authentication. Now that you're at the login page, you'll notice there are a couple of ways to sign in. For ease and convenience, you might want to use the sign in with Google option, especially if you often link accounts for productivity and speed. Simply click on this button, which will guide you to select your Google account. Choose the account that's connected to your ClickUp profile. This integrated experience makes entering your Google credentials a breeze. With your account now accessed, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp dashboard. From here, look to the upper part of the interface where your current profile icon is located, typically at the top right section of your screen. With a single click on your profile icon, you'll open a drop-down menu that presents several options related to your account. In the drop-down menu, make sure to click on Profile. This will direct you into the settings area where you can make changes to your personal details. Once inside, focus on the icon area, which might currently either be a generic avatar or an existing photo. You should see an option labelled Add Custom Avatar. Click on this to begin the process of uploading a new image for your profile. An on-screen prompt will appear, allowing you to select a photo from your device. Navigate through your files and choose the picture that best represents you. After selecting your new profile picture, hit Upload. ClickUp will process your image, and within moments your new profile picture will be set. And just like that, you've successfully updated your profile picture, adding a personal touch to your ClickUp interface.